The Supreme Court's decision on the Trump versus the United States case on 1 July 2024 was a disaster. It was unconstitutional, un-American, and dangerously short-sighted. We must overturn Trump versus the United States. This decision was unconstitutional because it frees the President of the United States from criminal prosecution for any crimes that he or she commits while in office. This increased power of the executive damages the checks and balances in our federal system that has kept our republic functional for over 230 years. The Trump versus United States decision begs the question, did the Founding Fathers intend for the President to be above the law? Let's consult the Constitution. Article 2, Section 1 says that the President must swear to, quote, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution, unquote. This oath obligates the President to uphold our foundational law. Article 2, Section 3 directs the President to, quote, take care that the laws be faithfully executed, unquote. This makes the President the top cop in the country. And you can't, quote, faithfully execute the law, unquote, while breaking it yourself. That is a contradiction. This decision is un-American. We Americans believe in equal justice under law. Justice for the rich and powerful, and justice for the poor and powerless. Equal justice under law is carved front and center into the Supreme Court building itself. The Declaration of Independence asserts that, quote, all men are created equal, unquote. Ask people in the street, do you want the rich and powerful to be beyond the reach of the law? And they'll answer you, no. This decision was dangerously short-sighted. The court claims that impeachment is the remedy for a criminal president, but impeachment is a political, not a legal process. To rely upon impeachment is to rely upon the shifting winds of politics. It takes 67 votes in the Senate to finish successfully an impeachment. With today's split in the Senate between Republicans at 53 seats and the Democrats at 45 seats with 2 independents, a successful impeachment is almost impossible. All current and future presidents whose party has at least 34 seats in the Senate will feel that they are beyond the reach of the law. This isn't just about Donald Trump. This ruling gives dangerous, overreaching power to any president, left or right, extreme left or extreme right. They will all feel that instead of governing like presidents, they might rule like kings. This was a bad decision by a bad court. 3 justices, Barrett, Gorsuch, and Kavanaugh, were appointed by Trump himself. Trump was the plaintiff. This represented a conflict of interests. They should have recused themselves. They didn't. Moreover, Justices Thomas, Alito, and Gorsuch have been caught up in scandals over undisclosed gifts. This bad decision by a corrupt court will remain the law forever unless we act. Write to your representatives. Write to the president. Write to the court. Speak out. Protest. Vote. The rule of law protects our republic. Let's defend it for our children, for our grandchildren, and for the future of liberty and justice for all. Thank you very much.